Hello students, I welcome you all for today's session. Today's session we are going to see how we are going to execute the HTML programs. HTML, as we all know, is a markup language which is used by the browser to manipulate text, images and other content so that it can be displayed in a required format. So, when we start executing HTML programs, we will require two things. First thing is the editor where we can type the source code, and we will require a browser where the output is going to be rendered. We can use Notepad editor. First, let us see what is the basic structure of an HTML document. HTML is called as markup language because we are going to include tags. It is made up of tags, that is why it is called as a markup language. Tags are one of the most important part in an HTML document. HTML uses some predefined tags which tells the browser about how to display a particular given content. There are generally two types of tags. First, let us know what is a tag. Anything that is going to be enclosed within the angular bracket is called as a tag. You can see on the screen, anything that is enclosed within this angular bracket is called as a tag. There are generally two types of tags, paired tags and singular tags. Paired tags are having both opening as well as a closing tag. For example, the bold tag. Can you see this? I have opened the tag as well as I have closed the tag. These are called as paired tags. We have another kind of tag that is called as singular tag. These tags do not require a closing tag. It will work fine with just the opening tag. So now let us see how a basic HTML document will look like. Basic structure. The doc type will inform the browser the version of the HTML used. The HTML tag is the root element and it is used to wrap all the code. After HTML, we have the head tag. The head tag contains the title of the web page. I will give the title as my first web page. Okay. After opening the title tag and giving the title as my first web page, I am going to close the title tag. After that, I have to close the head tag. HTML document is basically divided into two parts, the head and the body. Head is going to give us a brief description about the document, and body is the place where you are going to display the content of your web page. Now I will just write it as hello world. This is what I want to be displayed on my web page. After that, I am going to close the body tag, and at the end I am going to close the HTML tag. So this is how a basic HTML document will look like. Okay, so you can see it is divided into two parts. The first part is your head and then you have the body part. You have to observe that every tag what is being opened is also closed. Can you see here? I am going to end my document with the closing HTML tag. Fine. So this is how we are going to write a basic HTML program. We should always remember that we need to save the program with the extension .html. So I go here to the file option and then to the save option. Always remember that we have to save it as .html. So I save it as example1 I save it as example1 html, and then I select here as my save type as all files. Okay, so you need to always remember that you have to save the file with the extension .html, otherwise it is going to be saved with the extension .txt and you will not be able to see the desired output. So I have saved the file as example1.html. I have saved it in the data folder. Okay, so I click on save. So this is my first basic HTML program. Now when I have to see the output of this program, I am going to minimize this window where I have saved the program in D drive. So I go to my D drive. Can you all see here? It is being written as example1. Okay, so when we have to open the file, we have to use browser. So I say like open with, I can use any of the browsers available, Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera. So I go with Google Chrome. You can use any browser. So I say open with Google Chrome. And you can see the output is being displayed. What we had written within the body tag, only that content is being displayed on our screen. Hello world. So this is how you have to remember how to execute the program. And can you see the title is being displayed over here, my first web page. Can you see here? This we had included in our title, so that is going to be the title of the web page, and whatever we have included in the body tag is being displayed as a part of your web page. So this is how we are going to execute a simple HTML program. We will see one more program. I will close this one. Okay, so when I want to execute another program, I will just go to back to Notepad and say new. Okay, so the next thing what we have is, so we have seen the basic structure, just how to display a message. In HTML we have headings. Headings are going to play a very important role. Okay, why do you require headings? Is that they are going to be the title or subtitles that you want to display on your web page. So when you place the text within the heading tags, it is going to be displayed on this browser in the bold format, and the size of the text will depend on the number of headings. So HTML usually has headings from H1 to H6. So 6 heading tags we have in HTML. Fine. So we will just see one program which is going to help you to understand about tags, heading tags. I give the title as heading tags and then I close my title tag. Okay, so the first heading H1, from you have headings from H1 to H6. H1 is at the highest level and H6 is at the least level. So H4, here I go with H5 and then I have H6. Okay. Head, title. Okay, so these are the heading tags, so I include it here. I say like heading H1 and then I close the H1 tag. Heading H2 and then I close the H2 tag. So these are all paired tags. They require closing tag. H3, heading H4, heading H5. So in this way, all the 6 heading tags I am going to show it to you all in a single program, and you will see the normal effect H6. Okay, and then I say body. This is the plain normal text, hello, body tag I have closed, and then I have to close the I have to close the heading tag also, right? So it is being done over here. I close the heading tag, body, and then close the HTML. Okay, so we have to always remember that we have to save it with the extension as .html. So we are going to have 6 tags over here, 6 heading tags we have. This number h1 is the highest heading tag and this is the least heading tag. So it depends, the size is going to change. Now when I say save, I'm going to save it as example2.html, and then I save it with all files, and then I say save. So now let us go back and check the output of this one. I will just minimize it. I go to my computer, data, this is where I have saved it. You can save it at any folder you have provided you remember, and say open with Google Chrome. Can you just see the output? I told you H1 is at the highest level. So the text by default for all it is going to be in bold, but you should remember that it is depending on the number, it keeps changing. Okay, so now can you see it is minimized H2. As you go on increasing, the size of the heading decreases. H6 is the least one. Okay, fine. Thank you. We will see in the next